new year, meaning we've got new goals in the year 2021. So in this video, I'm actually going to chat to you guys about what my goals are, how I'm going to get there, and I'm also going to give you my strategy on how I'm actually going to get my hair from point A to point B, which will lead me closer to my ultimate hair goal. Definitely one of my goals is to actually get to mid-thigh length ultimately, and I would really much like it if my hair was not just mid-thigh but I also have my straight hemline. Now I have been trying to get my straight hemline now for the past 2 years because I used to have a V-layer cut and it's actually very difficult to try and grow that out, so I had to sacrifice a lot of length. So before, my goal was the mid-thigh length. Well, the mid-thigh length is my ultimate hair goal. But before that, I actually just wanted to get to classic and from there do small little trims. But I figured, well, to get the straight hemline is a little bit more important to me than to actually get to mid-thigh or to classic with a V-layer. Now I'm going to show you some photos of how I gradually started cutting my hair to get rid of the V-layer. It is not a bad cut, it's just I prefer not to have those fairy tale ends. I actually love a thick ends where if I do plaits, if I tie my hair up, it actually looks very nice. First order of business is actually I am not going to dye my hair or bleach my hair. I've finished, went actually from black back to this color, which I don't think it's a very bad color. I would like to actually have it more blonde, but I'm not going to use any chemicals or any dyes or any bleaching in this year. I'm going to try to get my hair to grow out naturally. Second order of business is I'm not going to trim or cut my hair for at least 6 to 7 months. So I want my first big trim in 2021 to be in June or July. Basically, I'm focusing on growing my hair this year. If you guys can remember that I have made a video on tips and tricks on how to get your hair to grow faster. Now, I have mentioned something saying that you need to get a goal, you need to get your ultimate goal, and then of course you need to think realistically in terms of the amount of centimeters your hair will grow per month. Now I'm going to use those averages to see if my hair will grow to that stage. Expecting the least is actually going to help me to be the day I'm going to decide to cut my hair, which is going to be somewhere in June, July, to do a big trim. I'm not going to lose too much length because I'm thinking of maybe only cutting 6 to 7 centimeters, which is about 6 to 7 months of hair growth, and 6 to 7 centimeters is going to be in June, July somewhere. So I'm going to measure my hair now of how long it is now, and then I'm going to measure 7 centimeters extra so that when we get to June and July I will be able to see if I've reached that 7 centimeters of growth. Now I've got 2 pieces of strings here. So the first one is I'm going to measure my current hair length, and then with this one we are going to measure my goal for 2021 and where I want to be before I cut my hair. So this is going to be 7 centimeters longer than my current hair length. So now I'm going to measure my hair. I'm going to start from where my hairline begins. So I'm going to start right there and let's see how long it's going to be. Let me just put it here now. Okay. I'm measuring my hair at... Got it. So my hair is at about 104 centimeters or almost 41 inches. So now I'm going to cut this string at exactly this. So here I've got my 2 pieces of strings. So this is my current hair length and this is my goal. I'm quickly going to show you guys how I measured it. So this is like my current hair length. I've just measured it, and this is 7 centimeters longer than my current hair length. Okay, so here I've taped everything on a flat surface. So current hair length, goal. So as you can see, we're working in centimeters, and we're going down, 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 even more down, more down, more down, more down, more down, and here we go. Current hair length at about 104 centimeters, and then goal for June, July, I've put here as about 111 to 112 centimeters. So in June and July, I'm going to take this piece of string, and then I'm actually going to measure it again. I almost fell. That is basically it for today. So I've mentioned it before. I've got my goal and my current hair length all wrapped in a wall, but I'm just hoping I'm going to get to it. So in my next videos, I'm actually going to try some hair growth challenges or hair growth routines. I do hope that maybe next year, in the year 2022, I will be able to get to mid-thigh length with a straight hemline. So I'm not going to do any cuts or any trims until June and July. I've mentioned it before. I can actually just stop saying the months out loud. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I actually do appreciate it. If you want to see more of my videos, then please do subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or just this new measuring technique. You can also just like and subscribe. And if you want to follow my hair growth journey, then also subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you so much, and bye-bye.